Hello, I am Kaini. I have selected another question from A-level past year papers. This is again, the code of the paper is 97091. Means paper 1, that means pure maths 1, and variant 2, October-November 2018. This question is on actually trigonometry. Let's see what question says. The diagram shows a triangle. We have got a triangle ABC, and then we know that this is 20, therefore BC is 20, and the angle ABC is 90 degree, therefore this is 90 degree. The perpendicular from B to AC meets the point, the line AC at the point D, therefore this is D. And AD is equal to 9 centimeter, therefore this length is 9 centimeter. He is calling the angle BCA theta, therefore this angle is theta. Now he is asking, by expressing the length BD, by expressing this length in terms of theta, therefore we have to express this length in terms of theta, and then in this triangle here and triangle here, therefore in triangle ABD and triangle DBC, therefore these two triangles, they show that 20 sine squared theta is equal to 9 cos theta. In the second part of the question, he's asking to solve that. Therefore later we go to the second part. Now first part is this. Now note that if this line is cutting this angle into two parts. Therefore, we know that therefore B1 plus B2 is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, B1 plus B2 is 90 degrees. Since this is 90, in this triangle BDC, the sum of these triangles should be 90. Since this is 90, sum of these three angles should be 180. Since this is 90, the sum of these two should be 90 also. Therefore, theta plus B2 should be 90. Look at these two equation here. We know that B1 plus B2 is 90. Theta plus B2 also is 90. Therefore, B1 and B2 should be same. Therefore, B1 is equal to theta. Therefore, we know that this angle here is again theta. Now, using this fact, now look at the triangle ABD. If you are having this angle here, we know that this is adjacent to this and this is opposite. So we have to use tan. In this triangle I am using tan. Therefore I can say tan theta is equal, in this triangle, tan theta is opposite, let me write, tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Now opposite of this is 9 centimeter. Adjacent is BD. Therefore this is tan theta. Now I can cross change, that means this can come here and this goes here. This is called cross changing. You can bring this here and bring this here. Therefore BD is equal to 9 over tan theta. Therefore we got one of the things which the question was required. We have expressed BD in terms of theta using this triangle. Now I want to use this triangle here. In this triangle, if theta is here, this is adjacent and, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So I have to use sine theta. Therefore sine theta, I know it is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so then sine theta will be equal to, opposite of theta is BD again, BD, and then hypotenuse is 20. Then I cross multiply, I'm going to get BD is equal to 20 sine theta. Now I have already got BD here and got BD also here. Then I will put these two equal. Therefore 20 sine theta is equal to 9 times tan theta. Now I will cross multiply this here. I am going to get 20 sine theta times tan theta is equal to 9. But we know tan theta is equal to sine over cos. Therefore 20 sine theta is times sine theta over cos theta is equal to 9. So this is 20 sine square of theta over cos theta is equal to 9. Now I think we got the answer. Just cross multiply this, is done. 20 sine square theta is equal to 9 cos theta. Therefore this is the final answer the question requires. Therefore we got this answer. Okay, now I am going to do the part 2. Second part of the question is asking, hence showing all necessary working, calculate theta. Therefore we have to calculate theta. This was the question which we have proved in part 1. You can see that this is sine square, you have cos here, therefore you have to change this to cos. You know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Therefore sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So just substitute here, you are getting 20 open bracket 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 9 cos theta. Now you can multiply this and take everything one side. For 20 minus 20 cos square theta is equal to 9 cos theta. Take everything that side, you are going to get 20 cos square theta plus 9 cos theta minus 20 equal to 0. Now you have a quadratic equation in terms of cos theta. Therefore your unknown is cos theta. A is 20, B is 9, C is negative 20. I'm sure you can solve this. Therefore I'm not going in the detail of that. Therefore you know that you can solve it anyhow and get the values of cos theta by any means. Then cos theta, you are getting either 0.8 or cos theta you are going to get negative 1.25. Okay, this is not valid because cos cannot be less than negative 1 or more than 1. Therefore this is not valid. Therefore forget about this part. Now we are going to solve this. So from here is very simple. Theta will be equal to cos inverse of 0.8. Therefore theta you are going to get the value of that 36.78. Therefore this is 36.78 degrees. You can put in the calculator and get the answer. This is the only answer because theta is an acute angle. In a right angle triangle we cannot have any angle more than 90 because one angle is 90, the other angles should be acute angle. Therefore the only answer is this. Therefore this is the value of theta. Thank you. If you want me to solve any question for you, put them in the comment section below and I can go through that and then I will solve it for you and put it in our channel. Thank you for watching.